name's Natalia.
My name is Natalia, and this is part 2 of the Bloxburg, just part 2. And now we will be revealing what's in this Nike box. So.
Yeah, because we don't want to wait till our last video. Plus, she needs to go like in, I don't know, half an hour.
So this is all from Halloween, guys.
Not really.
Well, maybe not all from Halloween, but most of it is from Halloween. So
yeah. Ouch, my finger.
Right, take your finger.
And maybe we might do another one, but we might put something else in it.
Yes.
Or ask our parents to put something in it.
Yeah, and then we're like, ooh, I wonder what's in here. Right. So now we're going to be playing again. So, well, we couldn't really wait, so we just added more stuff to the
house.
Yeah, so you'll see how it is. We've just started making the garden. We haven't done the garage, so because we wanted, but before that we have run out of money, so we need to go to work.
Yeah, and maybe we might do like this. Might be a playlist. What we do, a couple of videos of this, and then different.
Yeah. So like, now we're just going into a game.
If you watch like Unspeakable or something, they do island survival. So they are stuck on an island, and they get a lot of likes. They do more videos. We just want to show you how we build ours.
Yeah.
So yeah. I actually might do another one without her because she's going soon.
But
we're gonna have one.
Yeah,
take one sweet. As we no, I don't want that. Sorry.
Right, we just bump. Oh my god, right. Oh, no, right. Sit down, quiet. So, from Halloween, I have a Reese's sour apple. What have you got?
And I got a double flavor liquor thing.
You can't see it.
There.
It is actually green, guys.
Yeah, I knew that.
I have never had these before. I've had the normal ones and the strawberry ones.
And this one's actually sour.
I have never tried the sour one, right? Yay, we're playing the game.
Again, because we went
to go to work. Buy house. No, we don't even have the bee things.
I know. How can you get the bee things? Let me know in the comments, because I really want.
Yeah, because we really want the luxury things.
Yeah, we really can. Let's go here. Let's go to... Oh my, why do I always forget this? It's on here, right? Yeah. Work.
It's not... Oh, God.
Okay. Okay. I'm going to just...
Wait. Comment down below.
I'm going to just...
What game would you like to win? Work. We'll flick through all of them, right? I hate it. It's wet.
Okay, Ben. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, I played this one. I don't like it. What else? I didn't do this one yet, but it's a cleaner. I didn't do this one either. I might do this one.
It's not sour.
I know. We'll see sour on the package.
It's a wee bit sour, not like the normal ones, but why is this here so creaky?
Sorry if this. I didn't start liking. Don't worry. Whoa. How do you do this? I just came.
Oh, I think it's a wood chipper thingy.
I can't cut it.
Cause that's cutting it.
Then what am I supposed to do? Just
nothing. Just walk around and do nothing. Wait, ask that guy.
He talks to me. Hello there, and welcome to the lovely. Okay, I don't wanna. Okay, continue.
No, do not press goodbye. Do not press goodbye. I want to be a lumberjack.
Yeah, me too. Sure thing. Just grab the whole. Okay. Goodbye.
Oh, you can chop now.
I need to go into the factory. How?
To the door. Right. Comment down. Yeah. Comment down below if you have seen the door.
If you do, please let us know. Oh my, I don't see it.
Click here.
Can I just chop these down? No.
Nope.
I'll try to. Oh, I think I need to cut them around here. Wait, first I'm going to check if there's a door here.
Wait. First, wait. Turn around. What's that path right there?
I don't know.
Let's check it. If it's a dead end, then it's big.
It is.
Nope.
Yep, it is.
Well, that's a bummer.
I know.
No! Wait, that was the girl what we were working with.
I know. But no.
We should have not given her the money. Stop it! The dreamer! Just the dreamer.
How are we supposed to be here and do nothing?
Probably. You're literally starving in this game. Oh, bother! I don't think that's what you're meant to do! That is not what you're meant to do. See, that's cutting it.
So why do we have an axe to do nothing with?
Are
Are we supposed to here to do nothing? I want to just go this way.
Just show off.
I'm going to just cross.
Wait, I think there's a path there.
I'm going to check what goes up here.
Yeah, it is a path. That's where you would enter.
Probably.
Cause like, why would it the path to leave nothing? Ah, did not fall. If you check out Minecraft, if you just fall, you'll die. Like from high, like from here, then yes, you would die. But
and real life. Oh my.
Wait, where? Let's
Nothing.
go the other way, this way. Can you chop these trees? Okay.
That's my mom.
Yeah, I gotta do something. Help. Give me my iPad.
Your toys are in the living room.
Yeah. Right, where did it lead up to?
Nothing.
Oh, okay.
Wait, maybe not. Maybe something.
Ow!
Don't do that. You're going to break my table. Oh, what is this?
Ew, Lieutenant. I hope there's not gonna. Wait, what?
Wait, what?
On my first video, I was really silly.
Yeah, and you're so silly.
Wait, so silly. I just bumped into this. What's that? Maybe go in that tunnel. No, in that tunnel. Aha, on my hand.
Leads to nothing.
Or we go down there and we'll see what's down there.
Nothing.
How do you know? There's a road. Yeah, your car. That actually looks like an inch. Sit!
No.
I'm like, sit! You gotta sit. You're hungry, so sit. Sit on it. Sit on it. Sit on it.
I'm going to just jump and die.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay.
Well, you never do there with water.
I did.
Well, you can see her butt. Oh, the chant. Can you walk and walk? Oh no, it's 6 p.m.
Jump, jump, jump.
Okay. Don't care where my phone case is. Right there, packed. Alexi, what are you doing?
Going back to the house.
Oh, well, did you get money?
I don't know.
Well, if you didn't, either really boring. Well, if you go like £1,000, then everybody would want to play there because you basically do nothing, and that'll work. God, my licks are sour. Licks. Did you get mine?
Nope.
Oh, well, how? Yeah, you did. Right. Oh God. Maybe. Wait. If you throw a house. Okay. Right. For a party. Let's check. Wait. I love it. Right. No. Just go to for a party already.
Fine.
Right. Get off. Get off.
I can't.
How do you get off? Hey. Wait.
No,
dalej. Robimy YouTube video.
Mama już stoi z psem tutaj.
Oh, right. I gotta go to my dog. Bye.
Bye, guys. I'll just carry on or leave.
Bye.
Okay, guys.
Right. Bye, guys. Maybe when I come back to her house, I'll probably do another video with her. So see you next time with me.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Oh, so we've got ourselves in this one.
Yeah. Okay, I'm actually going to leave as well. Smash that like button. If you haven't already subscribed, just subscribe. And hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe
Hey,
button.
that's got something.
Bye.
Wait. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.